Alexa is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing from the Samar State University. She works as a community mobilizer at the City DRRN office of Balogan City. Her work involves empowering the community and teaching them the importance of basic skills when it comes to emergency situations and nurturing their minds with preparedness. She also advocates for people with mental disabilities, as she believes there's no room for hate and discrimination and that they also deserve to experience a meaningful life. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Alexa May Cuenco, Gandara.
We would like to request Mr. John Williams, the accredited partner for Summer Life.
Hi! Subscribe to MacJude's channel. Please subscribe to MacJude's channel.
Subscribe to MacJude's channel. Subscribe to MacJude's channel.
Guys, please subscribe to MacJude's channel. Yan. Subscribe kayo, guys. Nahantay ko na lang.
Hello guys, please subscribe to MacJude's channel.
Subscribe.
MacJude's channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Sprite and MacJude TV. Thank you.